Hi, my name is Nadir Abdurrahman Hamoud. I am a young feminist climate justice activist based in Somalia. My journey into climate activism began over 10 years ago, shaped by witnessing firsthand how climate crisis, including devastating, prolonged and repeated droughts, has severely impacted Somali people. Women and girls in particular are most marginalized and vulnerable, facing increased risk of gender-based violence, including conflict-related violence, human trafficking, child marriage, and many more. As someone who comes from communities living with these realities in a country heavily affected by climate crisis, this experience fueled my passion and commitment, not only to climate justice activism, but also advancing gender equality within climate action. Through my studies in climate change and environmental sustainability, and through my leadership roles at organizations like How Feminist Coalition and others, I have worked to train and mobilize young women to become climate leaders in Somalia, and to serve as strong advocates of climate action across the country. The project we are proposing was born from this journey, from the urgent need to promote young Somali women's voices in the fight for climate justice. Too often, Somali women and girls who are the most affected by the climate crisis are excluded from discussions and decisions that shape our future. This project matters to me and my community because it seeks to change that reality by equipping 100 young women activists with climate advocacy, organizing and storytelling skills they need to lead grassroots feminist climate action in their community. To me, climate change means recognizing that climate crisis is not just an environmental issue. It is a deeply intersectional issue of inequality, human rights, and social justice. It demands solutions that center those most affected, especially women and girls and marginalized communities. Through this project, we are not just responding to climate change, we are building a resilient, equitable future where young women are recognized as powerful agents of systemic change. Thank you.